Welcome to Junior Business Analyst Orientation, and we have a few more interesting questions. We're still in the boardroom, and management is now showing us workbook creation, prioritization, and the roadmap that they have for the future. We're still in the boardroom, and management has put up this roadmap. Now, as a business architect, you will assist in this, and you'll probably be able to do it. That's a business analyst with 5 or maybe 10 years experience. Then you'll know how to do these things. Now we're back at our desk. We're going to start work as a business analyst, and management has given us a task. Management has given us a project for analysis. We are going to create a digital bank with 14 customer journeys, 14 functions, and we need to specify it. Now, we've been through all the processes in the boardroom. We know what the products are. We know what the customer journeys in total, the summary is. Management selected 14 of these journeys, and they want us to define them in detail. This brings us to the end of the module, B1.0, orientation, and it's part 7 of 8.